On the upper right corner of the Excel window, there are three buttons that are named Minimize, Restore, and Close. These buttons belong to the Excel program. Let's see what their functions are. I click Minimize, and we see that Excel disappears from the screen. To view it again, just click on the Excel icon in the taskbar, like this. Now I click Restore. And we see that the size of the Excel window was reduced. We can change the dimensions of the window by following the steps shown on the screen. So, I first place the mouse cursor on the bottom right corner of the window. As you can see, the mouse cursor changed to a double-headed white arrow pointing in opposite directions. Second, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse outwards. To make the window larger, or inwards to make the window smaller. Finally, now that the window has the size I want, I release the left button of the mouse. As you can see, the dimensions of the workbook window were modified. Now I click the button Maximize. And we see that the Excel window is maximized because it occupies the whole screen. Now I click the button Close. And we see that the Excel window is not open anymore.